Hello viewers, again from Abbas Beach. Yeah, no time to talk, let's go. Watch us view. Firing! New generation of surfing. Clean air roll after a war with the surfers. Yeah. Just chilling with the wave and the spin with the long board. Boom on the wipe out. Surfers. Yeah. Party wave from Bashir and Khalil. It's crowded. This is a party wave! It's war, not surfing! Oh, snake! Oh, now let's go! Waiting for the set! Near this rock wall! Yeah, and the peak is crowded! Party wave everywhere! Yeah. Party wave again. Surfer and a longboard surfer. Buenas! Yes! Look who is back. Midday. Firing! Many surfers waiting for the set, here and there. Here is the big set pumping. Yeah, we're gonna catch some good one as always. Nice catch back. Longboard, bodyboarder, surfboard. Party wave, this is war. Look how many surfers. Dozens. Maybe 100 surfers, who knows. Still waiting for a good one. The spot is so crowded. I'm going up so far from them. No one's so sick. Look at this one. This current makes you feel exhausted. A big set. Waiting for a set so we can smash some good airs and fly in the sky. Let's go. the sun is completely set and a big set pumping in the horizon. Let's start this one and go. After 2 hours surfing in this crowded spot. It's okay. See you in the next video.